Alright, now we'll start with adding a couple of the basic sprites. So every good game needs a player. Now these are all a 64 by 64 size image. That way they fit into our nice 32x32 grid. Now we'll also need to add this time we're going to be using a tile background so that we can make it longer when we wish. Base. Zoom in, make it just a little bit neater. Oops. There we go. Get a bit of the bottom half. Alright, so that there's going to be our nice little path for all the items to move on. And as you can see, looks pretty good. I'll actually just rotate that, it's a little easy to use. And we'll plonk them just there. So what we'll do is we'll add a behavior, and the behavior will be solid. That way the player doesn't fall through it. And for the player, we'll add the behaviors of a platformer. We'll leave the initial state enabled, double jump disabled for now. Default controls, that's just up, down, left, right. And we'll pretty much leave everything else normal. So if you go ahead and play that, you'll see your character moves and he jumps. Pretty simple. So now what we'll do is we'll add our little help boxes. Yep. And we'll add an enemy. Looks very unhappy. Looks perfect enemy. We'll plonk him there. Alright, so again, as we proceed, it has no interaction. And if you notice, the screen isn't actually following our main character. So what we'll do is we'll add the behavior of scroll to. Now, where'd that one go? Scroll to, there it is. So now we'll actually start to follow our character as he moves. Alright, in the next section we'll actually give some code to the enemy as well as to the question mark to give us some hints.